dv4000 series laptop, you need a small Phillips screwdriver, such as a jeweler, something that comes out of a jeweler set, just smaller than your average number 2 Phillips. I think a number 1 Phillips will get you. But what you're going to do is take the laptop, flip it over. Your hard drive is located under this panel here. There are 2 screws, 1, 2. Going to unloosen, or rather loosen, these 2 screws. Stick your screwdriver under the tab, pick up, and there is your laptop's hard drive. To remove the hard drive, there's a ribbon here. We just slide the hard drive back, pick the ribbon up. There's your hard drive. Now, the hard drive that you will be sent will not have the case on it. There are 2 screws there and 2 screws there that you'll have to remove. Just when you're taking this out, you just make sure that your new hard drive goes in the same way your old one came out. That way all your pins will line up when you put it back in. To remove the hard drive from the caddy, there are 2 screws on each side, 2 there and 2 there. Simply take our number 1 Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips from a jeweler set, and loosen all 4 screws. The other side. When removing it from the caddy, you just want to make sure that you slide the second hard drive in the same way, so the pins line up when you reinstall it into your laptop or notebook. So we're sliding that one out. We're going to put this one in just like we removed the first. Slide it in. You'll notice you get it till your screw holes line up with the holes in the caddy. Reinstall your 4 Phillips. Install the 2 on the other side. Once you reinstall the screws on the new hard drive, assembly is just the reverse of disassembly. I want to put the hard drive in with the writing facing you. Notice there's pins that have to line up to the slot, so as long as we reinstall the drive facing us, we simply set it in there, and then you have to take your finger and push that way to make sure the pins slide into the slot and secure the hard drive. We then take our panel. There's 2 clips there that go on the left side. Fold our drawer back down. There's a few clips. Press. Make sure it's snapped tight. Take our Phillips, tighten our screws, and power up your laptop, and it should boot to Windows.